sunset. I mean moonlight.
Mamacita. I love pancakes. They're my favorite thing.
Are we being recorded right now?
I don't know.
That's not our name.
I tried to broke it. No, I meant I tried to see.
Your soul chopped through me.
Sorry, catching in my throat.
You have throat problems?
Oh, I'm suffocating.
Why you mulling there?
Sorry, I can't breathe right now. I'm just
Romy, you're
not,
so freaky.
It's not good for me.
Stop being so chopped
Oh my
and do
God,
this.
I hope
Bro, I'm dating my
Oh my
Dude, why are you so chopped?
I don't know if I feel right now.
You have
Like it
COVID?
feels like, can I tell you anything?
No.
All the secrets that I keep in me changed.
Are you trying to metaphor? You're pretty bad at
I
metaphor.
don't know. I'm trying to talk to you, okay?
I'm not your therapist. Shut up.
Okay.
You're so
You
chopped.
Bro,
You're
I'm
so
trying to fix it when I never
You're
faced
so
it.
chopped. That's why your mom died.
I'm trying to escape it, okay? I'm trying to be free. Free.
Well, you can't.
We can't fix it if we never face it.
Stop metaphor like you're a main character. Shut up. Oh, time goes by. Hopefully it hurts. I just forget it. Oh nah, you're so chopped, Romy. Even if mom died, that's why your dad left you. That's why you're a demon. Your dad was a demon, so you're a demon now. Oh my
Okay,
God.
I don't know what What's it keep
Why are you? I can't call you a woman.
Why does people see me not like they see you? It's like it doesn't feel like you let me in.
I'm not your therapist. Please get your own therapist. I think
I need to fix my voice, okay? That's why I stole the juice from you. Okay, I just need to be free. Free.
You suck at metaphors, bro.
Hey, don't judge me. We can fix it.
Stop
We
getting
can
at me.
fight.
You're freaky. You're so frisky, man.
Bro.
Get away.
Stop looking at me.
Get away.
Stop looking at me. Take my hand, bro.
No.
Yeah, take my hand. It's open.
Men are not allowed to touch women.
Hey, it's free. Okay?
Oh my God.
It's,
touch your woman's
we're
hand.
free. We're free.
We're not free.
What if we heal it? What's broken? We can be free.
Stop doing
Hey,
those.
hey,
We're out
free.
You're not a documentary.
Hold my other hand, man.
Why do I have purple spots on
I
me?
tried to
Because of
hold
your hair.
something, but
Your hair is so
I
purple,
couldn't
man. That's
see,
why my skin
but
has
you
purple
gave
on
me
it.
hope because we can fix it. We
Why are
never
you
face
leaning?
it.
Why are
If
you
the
leaning?
past be
Why are you
less,
so frisky? Stop being so frisky, Romy. Oh my God, get away, Romy. You're so